Good afternoon. Now today I have for you the 2021 Ford Transit Custom. This one here is a short wheelbase model in a lovely white, as we can see. So I'll just take you around the vehicle now and we'll just head into the passenger seat just to show you the inside of the cab. Now this vehicle does have 67,000 miles on the clock. It's a fantastic runner. Here we have in the back the cargo space, which comes with cargo rings for any loads you want to tie down. I'll just show you again the interior cargo space again. And if we just head round into the driver's seat now, I'll just show you through a couple of the conveniences. Of course, it comes with 3 seats, armrest for the driver. Take me 9 people. Let me just shut up the door just here. Okay, so in the car we have voice assistant, and then if we go through the menu, we've got our trip computer, live speedometer, access to your phones for hands-free calling. And here is where we can access the settings, such as hill start assist. This does of course come with 6 gears and a reverse gear, air conditioning, radio, digital audio broadcasting. And if we just pop it into reverse, you can see we've got parking sensors as well, which is absolutely fantastic. And of course, last but not least, we have the ever so perfectly designed cup holder.